We're done. Alright, let's go get some apples. But, ooh! A weed! Oh no! It's begun already. Ooh, a fossil! How exciting! An unexamined fossil, my heart is set at wit at the very thought. Right, I'm determined to get Sable talking. That's the mission over this series, is to get Sable talking to me. Ah well, never mind. Goodbye. I'll be back, Sable. Eventually you'll be friends with me. And it'll be great. We're gonna love that. Let's pick some of these weeds. Don't want the town getting messy. Grab the shell down here. If I can. I can. Excellent. Right, let's head back up to the shop. What's that? You know what? I'm not even going to mess with fossils right now. Just for the simple reason I don't have that letter yet. Or if I do, I haven't read it yet. So let's... You know what? Let's go back to the houses and see if I do indeed have this letter. I think the houses are this way. Yeah, there we go. Do I have any mail? Oh! Oh, that's useful. Yeah, I want to do that. I want to store the old flooring. Oh, I can only store 4. Oh no, I just want to display it. I want to store my old work uniform. Just display it. And actually that'll do. No, that's good. Do I have an email? I do not. Okay, never mind. I'll be getting that letter tomorrow then, like Blathers says. Right, let's go back in Nooks and see. Just sell all this stuff. Right, get rid of all these apples first. Yeah, sell all of them. Oh, I've got apples don't sell for much here. And I'm not going to be able to get any other fruit either, so that's going to be a bit difficult. But never mind. Ah, I might come across some, I suppose. Sell tumbleweed, 130. God, things really aren't selling for much. Although, I suppose that's to be expected. The way you sell things in this is very tedious, gotta say. Especially when I'm selling stuff for like 20 bells. Yeah, I'm gonna sell this paper as well. I am not gonna use it. Oh. Oh well, I can buy some more if I need it. I'm gonna keep all my clothing for now. Right, okay. What's the wallpaper? Let's have a look at that. Kitchen wall, yeah, I want to have a look at that. Oh, that is ugly. No. We don't like that. What about this? Oh yeah, this is the one I already looked at, okay. Let's see again. Oh, it's expensive though. No, I'm good for now. I'm gonna just keep earning money. In fact, what's that? A green counter. No. There's not really anything I can afford to actually buy right now. Get some flowers, maybe. Oh, you can literally buy like 1 bag at a time. Did not realise that. Well, it's good to have spent some money, and then hopefully we can get Nook's Cranny to upgrade at some point. That would be quite nice. Might have to do a little bit of work off camera for that as well. But we shall see. I may not. I might do it all on camera for you guys. But we shall see. So I've been working towards getting some of the other series that I have planned for Animal Crossing up and going with the DS version, the Wii version, and actually I think I'm going to be able to get the 3DS version going as well, which would be excellent. I'd really like to do New Horizons, but I really don't think that's going to happen anytime soon, at least, unfortunately. But I think I should be able to get most of the other versions working. The main one I've been having the problem with, actually, believe it or not, is the DS, the Wild World version. Just because the DS is such a weird system to emulate. And more weird to record rather than emulate. Getting it actually running is not really a problem. Recording it, proven a bit of a nightmare. But I'll keep working on it, and hopefully I can get you a series on that soon. Although, if not, I'll just skip straight to the Wii, because I'm fairly confident I can get that working. But yeah, I should be sticking with this series at least for a little while. And to be honest, I'm quite interested for this one, just simply because I have not actually really experienced what this game has to offer, having never had a GameCube, which is really sad, because I would have loved to have a GameCube, but I only had a PlayStation, which is, you know, PS2 is still pretty good. What? Glowing spot on the ground. If New Horizons has told me anything. Cool. But wait, hang on. I wonder. If I... Oh yes, I made a money tree. Awesome. Okay, I'm happy with that. I wasn't sure if that was going to work. Oh, hello. Going for a rum tortilla. I realised I kept pronouncing your name wrong in the last video. I'm so sorry for that. Can I do... I expect you to come and visit me, and that's that. Oh, that's really sweet. Yeah, I was hoping you'd give me a job. Oh, damn. Oh well. Maybe Buck will have something for me. Chuck, that's what I meant. Same difference. Did you sleep the entire day away? Don't be judging my sleeping patterns, okay? Let's just... Well, you didn't figure... Well, you didn't miss much. I figured the rain would have let up by nightfall, but no such luck. Jerky. So why are you here? I need work. You need to go to Cody's place. Okay. I left my comic... Oh, comic books. Hell yeah. Back for personal reasons. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, no worries, Chuck. I'll go get your comic book back. Where's Cody's place? Who's Bob? I don't remember meeting Bob. Oh, Cody's all the way up there by the shop. Of course he is. Alright. Let's, Oh, I hear a fly of some kind. Lovely. That noise is very annoying. Oh. Who are you? Who's that over there? Oh, it's Rosie. Did you want something? No, I'm actually busy right now. Sorry, Rosie. Can't stop and chat. Right, okay. So, Cody. He lives up here. This is Cody's house. Is he in his house? No, he's out. God, it rains and everyone goes out. What's the deal with that? I didn't see you at all during the daylight. Oh, right, can everyone stop pointing out the fact that I sleep during the day, okay? Just stop judging me for my sleeping patterns. I'm picking up. Oh. Oh dear. And, so I'm gonna go get it from Portia. Alright, no problem. We'll just, swing around and go grab that, if I can find the ramp. Really need to get out of these trees. Oh, you're Portia. Hello. Yeah, I'm picking up. Thank you, Portia. They all get really defensive. It's really not a big deal. I got you. Come and put back for you. Oh no, I don't want an outfit. Give me some furniture or something. Oh, no, I wasn't complaining about it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You didn't catch me complaining. It's all good. Don't worry. Alright, okay. Aha! Weeds! Ah, there's my money tree. Alright, oh yeah, better go sell all this stuff before I do anything else. That's probably a good idea. I feel like it's going to be a little bit back and forth selling stuff for a bit, which might be a little bit repetitive, but something we need to get done to earn a bit of money. Did not mean to run into the tree. Annoyingly, in order to get some more stuff, I might have to wait until tomorrow when there'll be more tools in the shop, I'm hoping. I think that's how it works on this game. It's how it worked on the older games, so I'm assuming so. I'd like to sell, please. Yeah, sell all those. That's fine. Oh, you don't pay much for apples at all, do you? Right, sell this little shell. You're tight, Tom Nook, you're tight, I tell you. Is this what I just got given? Oh, that's awful, we're gonna sell that. Okay, oh actually, let's have a look at the other stuff. Right, so we decided we're selling that. Let's put that down there. That's a future shirt, let's have a look at that. Oh, we'll keep that for now. What's this one? Okay, yeah, no, definitely don't like that one. Let's put the danger shirt back on. We're gonna sell this one as well. That one can go down here too. Move these flowers over there. Cool. Would like to sell, please. Sell that. 82 bells, are you kidding me? Nothing sells for anything in this game. It's insane. Alright, okay. Do I want to buy it? Do I? No, I don't. I'm going to save my money till tomorrow. And then hopefully we can come back with a bit more money and get some different things. Okay. Can get some flowers around here. I think that would make a whole world of difference. Let's get some around the dump. Oh, I literally have 2 flowers. I thought I was going to have more than that. Okay. Well, never mind. We'll just plant one on each side. That should be enough for now. Beautiful. Alright, let's keep going then. Don't really know what I want to be doing next. Oh, you know what? I want to go check out the wishing well and see what you can do down there with that, because that seems really cool and I haven't seen that in any other game, so it'd be nice to check it out and see what the deal's all about. Oh, okay, I've completely lost. Oh, that's the train station. Okay, never mind. Let's try that again.